Hi guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investments. Market gave everything back. It was down today. One second, no, let me close you. I don't need you. Yeah, it was down very bad today. Then it went on a crazy rebound, which affected my short position today. So this is my loss for today. I shorted this prime focus. I was up quite a good amount on this. Then it went on a crazy bull run. It hit my stop loss. And it went on a crazy spike. You know what, I wanted to cover my risk. It is another company which is in severe losses, insanely reliant on debt. It barely makes profit. Even year to year its profit is pretty bad. And still this company is getting a lot of news because it's outsourcing some of its out it's selling its stake to other investors and all at a pretty with a dirt cheap price. So I shorted this company, and yeah, these are some, and this is my spot portfolio for today. I added some in Bharat Electronics because I saw, you have to be eagerly patiently waiting for, if you wanted to put your money in Bharat Electronics. If you look at its 4 hour time frame, I entered perfectly. It still got good risk to reward ratio, but however, in a daily time frame, there is still a lot of potential for downside, which I'm very happy about, which I would be ecstatic about because I want to add more into my Bharat Electronics pot portfolio. And there's a lot more news today, but what exactly drove the bull run was rate cut, rate cut by Fed. Is there an but nothing what Jerome Powell said in that press? I told you, I specifically told you all what rate cut wouldn't matter. What matters would be the press conference after the rate cut. That is what matters the most. And guess what? Nifty went on a Nasdaq went on a downside. However, Nifty went on a bull run, but that rate cut is doesn't. He said lot of bad things in the press conference, especially about the tariff. He told that tariff is causing lot of inflation. Tariff is causing inflation into the U.S. and that would drastically affect exports of Indian goods. you know Maybe in US people would start boycotting Indian goods. The raw materials become cheaper, more expensive, because India exports lot of raw material to uh, 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 India. So that is what we have to play consideration. And second thing is, he suggested that only one rate cut would happen in 2026. That nothing about is bullish. Only one rate cut, because inflation has to be controlled. The tariff is playing a very bad role, and tariff is playing a very bad role into the Indian market and in the US markets. So we have to see that is what is a Jerome Powell press conference said. I forgot what an extra is said. I had to keep a note. And uh, now Mexico imposes 50% tariff on India. I think US and Mexico are going against each other. You remember what happened when US did bad for Indian tariff? It went on a crazy. Now US is partaking with Mexico to increase more tariff on India, so more bearish. I mean, so I asked, what to perplexity, what to India export to Mexico 2025? And what I suggested was correct. Chemicals, a lot of pharma products and steel. That these three are the main components which India as well exports to other countries as well. So it is a very bad case. Uh, how 2026 outlook is not looking good. So yeah, that's it from me today. We'll see how market will react in 2026. A very short video, but I just wanted to give an update on Fed's comment, and yeah, so that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.